That is expected, no? Siguro kung if it was transmitted or if if it passed the Committee on Justice, then we will be surprised, no? But we're not surprised because we expected na it will be dismissed, no? Okay, nakita na to na ang articles of impeachment, although the one filed by Attorney De Jesus was really insufficient in substance, no? Walay kay number one, wala diha ang kanang gitawag nato nga kanang iyang personal knowledge, no? And then they are not part of the articles of impeachment. Although the other case filed by Liza Masa et al, murag mao to siya ang naagyod untay sustansya. That's why na overvote na manggihapon ang ang minority, so expected to siya, no? But beyond that, ang atong gilantawan ni Bugo Junel is mining nga nahuman na ning first part, no? The impeachment case against the president. So kung ingon ka nga unsay epekto ani sa ekonomiya, the wala gid siya epekto, no, kining kay President Marcos, even during the filing and even after the dismissal.
Okay.
Wala gid na siya epekto. It's very mild because number one, wala na drag ang atong, like say, economy. It was done very swiftly, no? In a matter of February 2, 3, 4, and then the following week na dismiss na yun, no?